Hey, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Miracles Beneath the Surface. And today we're going to be going over a scripture. I think maybe two scriptures I'm going to mention today. And this is just a quick motivation. And the motivation is about letting go. Letting go and letting go. Now, here in Isaiah 41:13, it reads, "For I, the Lord, thy God, will hold thy right hand, saying unto thee, fear not. I will help thee." You know, it's so interesting is that even letting go, how do I let it go? And where do I let it go? Do I go in the trash? Do I forget about it? Or do I continue to hold on to it? And as I learned in my life, just letting go and not just letting it go to the wayside, okay? Not just letting it go and fall into the trash, but letting go into the hands of the Lord. Letting go and letting God says is very simple, right? We hear it a lot. I've seen it in many different places, right? But when you say, I'm letting it go, but I'm letting it go into the hands of the Lord, I am letting go, giving it. And in the midst of giving, I am receiving. Receiving what? Receiving healing, receiving assurance that as I let go, I am not just putting it in the hands of somebody else, but I'm putting it in the hands of the Lord. Okay? And as I put it in the hands of the Lord, I know that it is in the right hands. And as we let go and let God, we can be assured that it will get taken care of. Another thing, I encourage you to check out Facebook. My Facebook is called Modern Nun, and that's NUN/NONE. And the more I get on my journey, the more I'm like, you know what, I want none of the world, you know. And it's just another channel about motivating you. As you have decided that you want nothing of the world. You don't want its gimmicks, you don't want its cons, you don't want its quote unquote solutions, because all you need is the Lord. So I encourage you to check out just a few videos on Modern Nun on Facebook. And I hope that as you're letting go, again, not to the wayside, you know, not in the trash, because some things you shouldn't throw away. Some things, it may not be in its right season. And as you let go and you let God, know that you won't be disappointed. Have a beautiful and wonderful day.